Hey y'all, and welcome back to Organically Designed. Today I'm going to take y'all around my home and I'm going to show y'all some of my favorite Dollar Tree organizers. So some are made for organizing and are labeled as such at Dollar Tree, but others are some items that I have used for other purposes than what they're actually intended for. So we're gonna walk through my house and I'm gonna show y'all what I absolutely love using in my house that you can use too for multiple purposes for only $1. I've talked about these before in the haul video that I recently did and the haul video that I bought them in, and I love these plastic baskets. I use them for project baskets. So I just kind of have things in here that I'm working on currently. So like things for friends, and then I have some travel kits that I'm making for my niece and nephew in them currently. But I like it because when they're not in use and I'm not working on a project like this, I can stack them and slide them in a drawer or in a cubby, and they just kind of just tuck away really easy. So love these. Now we are underneath my desk and I have a couple of items that I like to use. I like these plastic clear bins that I wrangle all my little office tools, push pins, clips, things like that. Then I have my label organizer and this one back here, and it fits it perfectly along with the tape. I also like the Dollar Tree waste baskets. One, because they can come in fun colors, or you can get them in the basic white and black. But I also like it because they fit on small spaces really easily. Another thing that I use to wrangle my projects are these little totes. And I like this because my small projects, this is mainly kind of like office stuff that I use. So if I have something that I need to do paperwork wise, or for my kids or my husband as far as like health insurance or things like that, nothing super fun, I do keep those things in there, and so papers and things. These white tubs I have used since my son was a newborn. I always keep his like little cups and things in here. I also use them other places, but I love this because I can rinse them out, put them in here, and these are the ones that I use like a specific bottle brush for. So it just keeps that in there really nicely. One of my favorite drawer organizers are actually these clear ones. I love these for drawer organization. And then you can see I use them in all different drawers to keep those extra little things wrangled. I also like these rubbered bottom ones, the white, that you can get in the kitchen section along with those clear ones I just showed y'all, because it keeps things from sliding around. Then I keep my nice little stacks. Probably my most used organizers are these locker bins. You can see another one of those dish bins that I use, but I absolutely love the locker bins. These things have been with me forever. I've had them for at least 8 years now, and they've been used for multiple things, including in the fridge, pantry, and now they are in this little funky closet we have to hold my candles, air fresheners, and vases. And then these are another thing that Dollar Tree always keeps, are these little totes. So I like these. They stack really easily, and they do come in different color lid tops so that you can have them match what you already have organization wise. Another organizer that I love are these little small rectangular bins, and they come in a 3-pack. and I love these, and I'm using them, as you can see, in my bathroom to organize some little face masks and accessories, and then of course my hair clips. Another thing that I use in my bathroom and for my girls to corral hair clips are actually, or ponytail holders, or actually these little rings. They come in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size. They have a smaller size and a larger size. The larger size are great for scrunchies, but I love these because that way it kind of just keeps things a little bit more tidy. And I have, you know, organized them by different types and colors in here. So love those. These drawer organizers come in a 3-pack as well. They're just like those smaller rectangular ones I showed you. I use these throughout my bathroom to organize things like medication and toothbrushes and such. I also love the paper towel holders as scrunchie holders, and they do hold a ton of scrunchies. As you can see, she still has plenty of room for more. And these are normally silver. I did spray paint these gold for my daughter's room because it does match her decor better, and they hold spray paint really well. The other kitchen item that I use in here, and I also spray painted it gold, are the napkin holders. As you can see, they organize stickers and things for her junk journal really well. It just holds things really well in this deep drawer. You can use them for on tabletops too, but again, they do spray paint really easily, so you can, you know, make them look a little bit more luxurious, like this gold. And then again, here's one of those drawer organizers that I showed y'all in my bathroom. So love those. Some other organizers. Okay, so these are pencil boxes, and I showed these on a recent haul video. We are actually using them to corral my oldest daughter's makeup because she has these really nice deep drawers in her desk. And so she has one for lips, one for eyes, one for face, which she doesn't wear a ton of makeup yet. And then these nice chunky big cups that come in a 3-pack she's using to organize her brushes in. So just something a little different. And what I like about these pencil boxes compared to like a makeup bag is that they can be emptied out, wiped out, and washed in the sink and look brand new again. A little added bonus, these are not really an organizer, but these can help with cleaning. These are the slim flexible cutting boards. They come in a 2-pack. I recently hauled them and talked to y'all about them, but my daughter keeps one on her desk for whenever she is junk journaling and using things like glue. So that it will protect the wood surface of her desk. Just like I mentioned before, some people use them to go over top of their really nice wood cutting boards so they can use them as charcuterie boards without the cuts in them, but still you know, help protect things. So yeah, that's what we use these for both of my daughter's rooms. And I use them as well to protect the tabletop that I work on downstairs. These little detailed baskets that I saw out this year, they came out during the spring. I snagged up a couple of these. I use them in 2 different places in my daughter's room, my middle daughter, and one is a grab and go bin for her. So she kind of has things like her mask, she has her blue light glasses, wallet, charger, lotion, and sunglasses in here, but they fit perfect in these cubbies. Here is the other way that we use that blue basket that came in a few different other colors. She has it on top of her dresser and kind of corrals her remotes and an extra charging block, so that those are just not just sitting out, but they kind of just look cute. It just looks cuter in that basket. Alright y'all, those were some of my favorite Dollar Tree items that I use around my home to organize, and thank y'all so much for joining me today. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up below, and if you want to see more things of what I'm using Dollar Tree products for, how to organize on a budget, and cleaning, and we also do some crafting here, so be sure to check out those videos as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. As always, happy organizing and have an amazing rest of your day.